Hello all, welcome to a very crisp lecture of this module, that is communication, and in this lecture we will discuss the goals and applications of network. So what is a network? A network consists of some points that want to share the information among each other, and those points are called nodes. Okay, so when these nodes are linked to each other through a communication medium or by some connectivity technique in order to share or exchange the files, information, or you can say set up a communication. So this whole part forms the network. So what is a network? Let's write it down. Network, it consists of two or more nodes. As you can say, example is computers. For example, computers that are linked to each other, that are linked to each other in order to share resources, exchange files, or you can say, or allow electronic communication. So this whole thing forms a network. Okay, these nodes can be linked either through cables or through radio waves or telephone lines or infrared light beams or satellite. The connectivity medium could be anything, or you can say the connectivity technique could be any technique. So when they are linked to each other for a particular purpose, and the purpose is mainly to share the information, that forms the network. So this is the concept of network. Now what are the goals of network? Goals of network? As we have said, and we are discussing it again and again, that the network is mainly formed to share the information. For example, the teachers and students get connected to each other during the class time period for sharing the information. So separately they are all nodes, but when they are linked to each other by some communication medium or by some connectivity technique, that forms the network. So first and the foremost goal of network is the resource sharing, so that resource can be shared, or you can say information could be shared between the nodes. So the first goal of the network is resource sharing. The second goal of network is high reliability. That means a copy of all the data must be kept in a backup, or you can say it could be replicated in 2 or 3 machines, so that ultimately we don't have any data loss. For example, I will take the example of a class teacher and a students only. For example, in these lockdown days, the teacher is taking online class, but if some student is missing the class due to some resource limitation, like they do not have internet connectivity at their homes, the teacher shares the same notes, or he or she replicates a copy on the Google Classroom also, so that the data is not lost anywhere and every student can receive the complete data. So that is called reliability. So network also in the same manner keeps a copy of the data at 1 or 2 places extra, so that if any node loses the data due to any reason, then that data could be sent again to that node, and the complete data is received by the all nodes. So that is also the purpose of the network, and that is high reliability. The next thing is, the network formation should be also economic in nature. That means money saving is also one of the goals of networks. Money saving. Okay, so we need to form an economic network because this network will be required at each and every place. So we cannot form a network which is expensive, because forming a network is our primary requirement, and if we increase the expenditure here itself, will not be able to form an economic system. So therefore, money saving is also one of the goals of network formation. Another goal is to increase the system performance. Of course, the networks are formed to increase the performance of the system, because then only the nodes can share the information amongst them, and on the basis of that shared information, smart decisions could be taken. And if smart decisions will be taken, obviously the performance of the system will increase. So the goal of the network is to increase the system performance also. And the last goal of the system is a powerful communication medium. As we all get connected to each other to share our information, to share our doubts, to clear the doubts, we have an interactive session. So we must have a powerful connectivity of internet. So we should have, in the same manner, a network must have a powerful communication medium, so that the connection is not lost and the nodes could be linked to each other for as much time as they want. So these are the goals of network. I hope that you must have understood them. Now next comes the network applications. That means the fields where the formation of network is required. And I think that you need the formation of network or setting up a network in each and every field. So you can write the names of those fields. They could be marketing and sales, because everywhere you need to share the information, and for that you will have to set up the network. Marketing and sales, it could be education, it could be financial services, it could be healthcare, it could be manufacturing industry. Information services, then it could be cellular telephone, it could be cable TV. Everywhere you need the network. Cable television, teleconferencing, it could be email. Everywhere network is required. So you can name some of the fields, and those are the network applications. So network is required to access the remote programs, it is required to access the remote databases. It is a value added communication facility. So that is what is all about the goals and applications of network. Thank you all.